Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Have you tried coffee face mask? Have you tried fresh yogurt with coffee face mask? Have you tried it? Have you? If you have, please drop your review in the comment section because I want to know if I am the only one who is seeing the maximum effect of coffee and the natural yogurt mask. I want to know if I'm the only one. So please, if you have tried this mask, leave your comment in the comment section. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how you can make coffee mask with natural yogurt or fresh milk or raw milk. Okay, that's what we are going to be doing in today's video, guys. Without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare this treatment, get your clean plate. The first ingredient you will need is natural yogurt, which is I'm using this one, Greek yogurt. When I say natural yogurt, I mean any yogurt that doesn't contain sugar. Okay, just plain yogurt that doesn't contain sugar. That's what you need. If you don't have yogurt, the next thing you can use is raw milk. That is fresh milk, not pig milk. Oh. Because some of you will ask, can I use pig milk? Please, not pig milk. I said raw milk, which is fresh milk, okay? Or you use plain yogurt. So go ahead and get your yogurt. Add about 1 tablespoon of yogurt into the plate. When you are preparing DIY, always try to make small quantity, the one you can finish at once usage. There's no need preserving it. These are easy to make. You can always make it anytime you want to use it. This natural yogurt helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles when you use it as a mask. It works on tightening and removing dead skin cells and remove the appearances of dark circles with consistent use. It helps to fight acne and help your skin to glow. So after adding it, the next thing you need to add is turmeric. Turmeric helps to fight acne and delay the signs of premature aging. And a lot, it also helps to brighten the skin. So after adding the turmeric, go ahead and mix it very well. And after mixing, your next ingredient will be coffee. Do you know that some people don't believe that you can use coffee to treat some of skin problems? That coffee can be used on the skin to achieve some kind of skin perfections. Some people find it difficult to believe. Someone was telling me that using coffee on the skin can stain your skin. No, coffee doesn't stain the skin. Rather, it can use to perfect your skin. Using coffee on your skin helps a lot in many ways. Coffee helps to reduce cellulite. It has an anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to exfoliate the skin. You can use coffee on your skin to get rid of dead skin cells. Coffee also helps to treat acne. It helps to fight dark circles. I know all these properties sounds impossible to some of you, but just try it first. Coffee helps a lot when it comes to treating some skin problems. It also helps to, moisturize the skin and give you this radiance glow. So let's try it. So guys, I have the treatment with me here. I have it right here with me. Did you see? Oh my god, this treatment will leave you feeling like a baby. It will leave your skin feeling like a newborn baby. Like just you need to try it, okay? And if you have tried it, give your review in the comment section, okay guys? So how do you apply it? Just go ahead and wash your face. It's normal. Before you apply anything on your face, you need to wash your face, okay? So just run ahead, wash your face. After washing your face, you get your cotton wool or brush. Then use the brush to apply it on your face. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Use it to apply it on your face. This mask is super effective. I can't even say it all. This mask is very, very beneficial to your skin. It will help to reduce fine lines. It will help to reduce the signs of premature aging. It will help to treat melasma. It will help to give you that youthful glow. So try this mask and come back and give your review in the comment section. And if you have tried it already, please also leave your review in the comment section, okay? For this treatment, is something you can use every day if you have the time. But if you don't have the time, 3 times in a week is okay. 3 times in a week is enough, okay, guys? So that is it. This is how you can use coffee and the natural yogurt. If you don't have natural yogurt, the next substitute is raw milk to make your own face mask that can leave your face very youthful, glowing, and spotless. Okay, guys, so that is it. Please, if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye. So I forgot to leave this very important information for those of you that will be asking for how long can you store it, for how long can you leave it, how can you preserve it. Please, if you prepare it and after applying it on your face, you have some of it that is remaining, just put it in the fridge and use it for 2 days. And after that 2 days, you throw away any one that is remaining, okay? Because there is no preservative in it. So the highest amount of days you can leave it is 2 days. After 2 days, discard any other one that is remaining. But to avoid storing it in the fridge, just make small amounts that you can finish at once usage, so you don't have to store it in the fridge, okay? That's it. Bye.